Hey there, fellow motorheads. Today, we are diving into the heart of the Harley-Davidson Milwaukee-Eight engine, a powerhouse that sparked both praise and controversy in the motorcycle world. Now, I've been a Harley enthusiast for years, so I'm here to share my thoughts on this engine, which has been a game-changer for the brand. Let's get right into it. First things first, the Milwaukee-Eight is a departure from the iconic twin cam. It's like Harley said, hey, let's shake things up. The new engine is a single-cam, 4 valves per cylinder setup, which might sound technical, but trust me, it's a big deal. The 4 valves give it a breathing advantage, allowing it to perform like a modern motor. But here's the catch. Some Harley purists feel it lacks the soul of the old engines. I mean, who can blame them? Harley's always been about that rumbling, mechanical clatter. But, in my opinion, the Milwaukee-Eight is all about refinement and power. One of the standout features is its vibration damping technology. Harley's counterbalancer system reduces engine vibrations by 75%, making it a smoother ride. No more dental fillings shaken loose at stoplights. Plus, the engine's heat management is impressive. Harley's precision oil cooling and twin cooling system keep things running cool, even during those long, hot summer rides. And let's not forget the torque. The Milwaukee-Eight delivers a serious punch, with peak torque at low revs, making highway overtakes a breeze. It's like having a muscle car under your tank. However, there are some cons to consider. Early models had issues with oil pumping and transfer, which Harley sorted out with design improvements. And while the engine is reliable, some purists complain about its complexity. Maintenance can be a challenge, especially with those 4 spark plugs and intricate cooling system. But hey, it's a trade-off for modern performance. In my view, the Milwaukee-Eight is a masterpiece of modern engineering. It's powerful, efficient, and a huge step forward for Harley. While purists might long for the old days, I think Harley has struck a balance. It's like they said, we've got the power, and we've got the soul, but with a modern twist. So, what do you think? Is the Milwaukee-Eight a game changer, or is it just a step too far from the Harley we know and love? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep the throttle open and the spirit of Harley alive.